Want to know how I get AI to create UGC content that looks like real people promoting real products without hiring a single influencer? Stick around because I'm about to show you how to make scroll-stopping content with just a few clicks. No ring light, no models, no stress. Let's go!
All right, so the first thing you want to do is come over to Chat GPT 4.0. And once you are inside of there, you want to upload the product that you are going to use for your promo video. So in order to add the product, you're just going to click on this plus sign and then just upload your product photo. Of course, if you don't have a product photo, but you have some pictures of what the product is, you can always upload that into chat and have chat create the product photo for you with just a plain white background. So I already have my product uploaded, which is a DIY paint kit. So now that I have it uploaded, I'm going to say create a UGC style photo and then I want to describe what my influencer for the promo video is going to look like. So I'm going to say of a beautiful young African American mom with long hair and is wearing a mom baseball cap. And I'm going to say where she is. So we're going to say she is standing in her kitchen holding the attached product photo, and then we're going to say what it is. So we're going to say holding the attached product photo of a DIY paint kit, and she is super excited to paint it. And then we also want to say where it's going to be used. So we're going to say this will be used for, we can say Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And we're going to say in the dimensions are, and then we'll say the ratio, we can say 9:16. All right, and then after we have that, we're going to click generate. All right, so now that we have our image generated, we want to make it look a little bit more realistic. So we're going to come in here and we're going to say, change the lighting so it looks like it has been taken with a cheap iPhone 14 as a selfie. And we're going to click generate. All right, so now that our new photo has finished generating, now what we want to do is you want to click on the bottom and you want to click this download button, and then we're going to come back to that later. So now what we want to do is make the script. So we're going to ask chat give me a script for her to say to promote the product. Click enter. All right, and then we're going to copy this. And then we're going to go ahead over to the next app. All right, so we are in the next app. We are on 11labs.io. If you're not familiar with it, you can go ahead and make an account. They have different plans. They have free plans and paid plans that you can take a look at and see what you want to use. Once you are in here, after you have created your account, you want to come over to text to speech, and we're going to paste in that script that chat had already created. All right, so we just want to read through it, make sure it's good to go. It says, oh my gosh, y'all, look what just came in. My DIY paint kit. I've been needing a little me time. This is exactly what I needed. And then we can say something like, actually here, we can put it in here where it's from. So we can say my DIY paint kit from Paint Parties. I've been needing a little me time. That's exactly what I needed. It comes with everything, the canvas, the design, step-by-step instructions, and even the super cute color reference. No stress, no mess, just pure paint and chill vibes. If you need a break from chaos or just want to feel creative again, get one. Trust me, best mom hack ever. All right, so after your script is good to go, you have your settings over here. You want to click on a voice that would go with the avatar that you already created. For this one, I click Clarity Speaks, but they have all kinds of options, and you can kind of look through and see what you want. These settings I pretty much don't really mess with, but this is just the speed of how the character is speaking, stability, similarity, and all of that stuff. So you can play around with the settings. I'm just going to leave it as is. I'm going to click Generate Speech.
Oh my gosh, y'all. Look what just came in. My DIY paint kit from Paint Parties. I've been needing a little me time, and this is exactly what I needed. It comes with everything, the canvas, the design, step-by-step instructions, and even this super cute color reference. No stress, no mess, just pure paint and chill vibes. If you need a break from the chaos or just want to feel creative again, get one. Trust me, best mom hack ever.
All right, so that is good to go. So now that I have the speech generated, I'm going to click this download button on the side and download the audio. All right, so now that we are done creating the audio, we are on a website called hedra.com. You want to go ahead and create an account. They have different type of plans, so pick the plan that best suits your needs. Once you are in here, you're going to come to a screen that looks like this. What would you like to create? You have the option of video, image, and audio. Again, if you have your own audio or you want to record your own voice, then you don't have to go through the 11 Labs process. You can do it directly on here. But for this video, we already created our audio in 11 Labs, and so now we are on here and we're going to go straight to creating a video. So what you want to do is click on video. All right, and you're going to come to a screen that looks like this. So we want to just make sure our settings are set up. So here, we want to change the ratio to 9:16. Okay, and then here is where we're going to add our audio that we already downloaded, and we want to add that UGC image that we created. And also, for those of you who don't know, UGC stands for User Generated Content, and that's what we want to add here. So we're going to go ahead and add our audio and our image. Okay, so now that we have our audio uploaded, which is here, and then we also have our image uploaded. So I just uploaded another image that I had that was just it was a similar prompt used in chat. So I just uploaded that, and now what we're going to say is the character is on Facebook Live talking about her DIY paint kit. And then we want to say something like shaky hand movement with the phone. And then we want to click generate. All right, now so that our video has finished generating, so all you would need to do now is just download it. If you need to make any changes, you can go ahead and regenerate if possible. And then also you can go ahead and upload it to your social media. You can add some text overlay as well. And then that is pretty much it. So let's go ahead and watch the video that was created.
Oh my gosh, y'all. Look what just came in. My DIY paint kit from Paint Parties. I've been needing a little me time, and this is exactly what I needed. It comes with everything, the canvas, the design, step-by-step instructions, and even this super cute color reference. No stress, no mess, just pure paint and chill vibes. If you need a break from the chaos or just want to feel creative again, get one. Trust me, best mom hack ever.
And that's how you create scroll-stopping UGC with zero influencers and all AI magic. Whether you're selling DIY kits, digital downloads, or literally anything, this method saves time, money, and still converts. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell